Happy New Year to everyone. Um, it is January 1st, 2025. And it is a little after 2 a.m. in the morning. And, you know, family is asleep after having watched the ball drop and, all that good stuff, all the entertainment on television. I didn't watch it actually. But, yeah, definitely quiet, quiet morning. It was pouring rain for most of the day on New Year's Eve, and I think cleared out just in time for the festivities in Times Square in New York City. So bless those people that were out there the whole day because the weather was crazy. Oh gosh, I'm actually yawning. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been doing little things all day, just trying to get work done, and work never stops to a certain degree. But I did take some good time off, definitely just away from work. Um, Sometimes you can't let go of, working, depending on the type of job that you have. You can't let go of work 100%. But it is good to rest, and I definitely got good rest time in. Um, but yeah, I'm wishing everyone a happy new year, a prosperous new year, a transformative new year, because I think we all need it. We have been through quite a bit um, through the past few years, for counting, having come out on the other side of the pandemic. And there's still so much that has been going on since then. And people that are still dealing with health issues from then. And, coming into this new year, hopefully there will be breakthroughs for you health wise. There will be prosperity for you. There will be all sorts of positive growth personally, financially, spiritually. I think those are such, um, important things. It's what keeps us. It's what keeps the world going around. Um, I didn't really think about much of what I wanted to say, but I know I wanted to give a little bit of a word for the new year. And I know I say it all the time, but I think it's worth saying it again. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do, what you can and cannot achieve. This world will look down on you. They will make fun of you. They will talk about you. They will do all the things to crush you. Don't let the world crush you. Don't let other individuals crush you. People will come in and they will be so unkind. People will come in and just, we see sometimes how people are on social media, and take a step back from social media. Change the way that you approach the folks at your job. There's always going to be opposition. There's always going to be people who just don't want to be positive, and you just have to take yourself out of that circle. If it means changing jobs and that's what you need to do, then you need to pivot. You need to find your space and where you need to be. I've said this before and I'm saying it again. You don't have to stay stuck where you are. You can move at any time, and people like, I got bills, I got this. We all do. It's going to be there. I'm not worried about a whole lot of confusion and the negativity that people bring to the table. I used to absorb it and take it on, and even trying to save people, sometimes people just don't want to be saved. You know, you can give your good advice, you can be a shoulder to lean on, but don't let yourself be a shoulder to lean on beyond what you can handle. Don't suffer yourself for other people, because the takers are going to keep on taking. But the people who give, unfortunately, they give to the point that they can't give anymore, and to the point that they don't have anything to give to themselves. So my word for 2025 is take care of you. Let that sink in. I'm going to say it again. Take care of you. Because honestly, if you don't take care of you, you won't be able to take care of your loved ones around you who need you, your children who need you, whatever the situation may be. Take care of you. Choose you. Because the rest of these folks out here, they choosing themselves. Choose yourself. You know, God, family, business. That's it. I took that from 2024 and I'm taking it into 2025, but I'm taking it into 2025 even on a more deeper level than I did in 2024. You will definitely see that. You will see a switch in my business. You will see, I don't even say a switch, a pivot in my business. You will even see a pivot with me and the way that I respond and react to different things, and yeah, a lot of different changes. And I know people say, "Oh, you know, new me, new you." You know, listen, this is a time of renewal and restoration. It really is, and reciprocity. Renewal, restoration, and reciprocity. If we don't have those three things clicking in 2025, you have to reevaluate your circle. It's really, it's the truth. Don't let anybody bring you down. Don't let anybody tell you you can't achieve something that you really want to achieve. Everything in its place. God, family, business. All right? Have a prosperous new year. I will be trying to get back on here more, but as I've said before, I'm not going to record, just to have recordings. I know that sounds crazy, but I want to record meaningful things, and I want to record things that actually make sense. So if I feel like I'm not going to say anything for 2 weeks on here, then I'm not going to say anything. But I guarantee you that when I come back after that time, it will be with something powerful. So that's how I'm going to do my podcast in 2025. I'm going to record as much as I can, but I always want to make it impactful. If I don't feel like it's going to be impactful, I would rather skip a few weeks and come back with something helpful, impactful, insightful, you know. All right. So if you want to connect with me, you know where to find me at Onyx Queen Media. Most of the time, I'm on Instagram. It's probably the easiest place. And I just try to post information. I try to post helpful tips, for business and entrepreneurship and lifestyle content. I've got new products that I'm rolling out with in 2025. There's so many amazing things that are coming for me, and I hope that there's going to be amazing things coming for you. Okay? Thank you for tuning into my podcast. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Happy New Year. 2025, here we go. Let's get it.